Hey, welcome back to He Can't Craft, a show that isn't for crafting, it's for everything but crafting. But sometimes in the garage, things are crafted. So today, 65 convertible Mustang. It's got an AOD conversion on a refresh 289, nothing crazy. But in getting the Hurst cross member, if you watch that video, I'm sure nobody has, but you know, never know. Developed an exhaust leak, and I don't have a rack or a lift here yet, so I'm going to do the since I've got the ramps out for had them out for the truck for that skid plate thing on the last video. I'm going to try to get this thing up in the air without crashing it, and shimmy under there and see if I can figure out where my leak is coming from. Scratch my butt. Well, it's in, so that's good. I got to keep it running because I'm trying to find the exhaust leak. So I'm almost out of juice on this, so let's unplug it and we'll take it over there and see what we can see. I'm almost thinking it's going to be right down there. I don't think it's coming from under here. I don't know if this is going to work or not, but what I'm going to do is stick this electrical conduit, flex conduit with a piece of rigid on there. Stick it right down on top of the exhaust manifold. I'm going to stick the microphone right in this pipe. Okay. Yep, I think that's the case. I think the donut or whatever's in there has been worked loose, or maybe I can get in there and tighten it, but we'll shut her down and let her cool down and see if we can at least tighten up the screw. All right, well, this is quite a bit lower than the truck. Jeez. Let's see if we can get what that's going to do there, but do that. And of course, there's a guy with a thing going. Try and crank that a little tighter. Oh, jeez. Man, that's not even tight. Well, maybe that was my problem. I would put that in the, yeah, duh, category. Those nutnicks. I'm not gonna crank it on to break it. Oof. Well, that's not good. Looks nice and cool now. Listen, that's good. That's what I should have. Great. Can't even get that on there. How the heck is that supposed to work? Oh, for F's sake. Really? I don't know if you can see that up there. Well, I can see it, but I can't get to it. Huh. Frig. How about this? Put a crow's foot on there. See if that helps get on that bolt at all. Another scratcher. Yeah, well, these aren't, crow's feet aren't great, but the answer's no. Hopefully I didn't loosen that. That would suck. Loosen it the whole time. Come off. That would have sucked with big buttholes. Well, that's better. I don't know if it's great. Great. Hopefully not do more harm than good, but we'll find out. Maybe it did. Well, it seems to be tighter. Live at the Badookie. Why wouldn't this side be loose too? Oh, that one's even a little bit loose. Okay. Oh, that's good. Let's see if I can get it on the bottom one. And take the doodle off here. Oh, that's the one I had to use the stupid crow's foot on. That's not gonna work. Crap. Guarantee it. Oh. Don't guarantee that. Or making it worse. That was like a different bolt. Well, let's stop before we screw it up. All right, we'll just try that. Get this over. Well, let's see if we can fire it up. We'll see if the tick goes away a little bit. Oh, that's like a lot quieter. Dang. Where's my hose? I don't know if that's any better, but it seems to sound better. About the only way we'll be able to figure that out is, you guessed it, test drive! Test drive! All right, let's do a little shot around the block, see if it's cleared matters up a bit. Oh, somebody coming, of course. Oh yeah, that was the problem. You don't even know how much better that is. Now that all this traffic, huh? I know that guy. Yeah, I had an exhaust leak. Thanks. Yours is really red.
Like the new car though?
Yeah, it's nice.
It's like Justin's, but not as loud.
Just turn those down after 10.
Yo, I try to come in soft.
I get it. I know what you're coming from. Well, this is fantastico. Go around the block here, short block, because that was easy. Until something else falls off. Oh man, car show down here too. I didn't know there was a car show going on over here. What? I got my GoPro going for.
Oh, well.
There you go.
Hey.
Oh yeah, that's good.
It's nice to have neighbors with cool cars.
Yeah.
Cool.
People around here.
Yeah.
This is Alex's car.
Well, Alex has good taste.
Yeah, thank you. That's right. Yeah. Had a little
Cool.
extra money, made it Kelly on the market, so
I just don't want to be taken by the market.
it's been good to us so far for a while.
Very nice. Well, I just live down around on Holden over just the big gray house.
Okay.
So I was just doing a quick around the block.
Isn't it a nice car? This is a
64,
cool
65.
car.
65.
65.
Yeah, it's been in the. I keep it in the garage, and so
20 years. I haven't seen this. No, I
well,
haven't either.
32 for me. Well, 30. But I've had it about 20 years, 15, 20, and it's like literally a block away.
All right.
That's the way things work. Things are a block away and you never see them.
Right. Nice to meet you. We're all Portland people here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, old school.
I need to get down to Portland to buy this obsession with bourbon that I've got. So the tax.
There's no bourbon possession on Portland Street.
Oh, this Portland.
There's more wine, I think, around here.
Yeah, that
I
could
don't
be.
drink, so I don't know.
Or coffee.
Well, nice to meet you all. I'm Rob, by the way.
Ralph.
Rob.
Ralph.
Rob.
All right.
R-O-B.
Jeff. Oh,
Rob.
Rob. And Alex.
Nice to meet you all. I
I'll jump in.
yeah, you probably actually.
Back in 65, we lowered it.
Well,
66 for
Nice to buy you that.
and I people give me a lot of grief because I put a bench seat in it.
Oh my God! I didn't see that. Get out of here. Oh, be darned. Oh, okay.
Not a dummy.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, yeah.
I was just
So
climbing to the
you
back.
restored this? You restored it?
Well, I bought it from the my friends whose dad sold it to the first owner, so I'm like the third owner. And I've slowly been. They didn't do much to it but drive it, and I've slowly been going through fixing things. So
Fixed the engine a little bit too, didn't you?
it's got the stock mufflers, but I don't think they are. And I've tried to keep it that way. And it's got a 289 that's been over. It's got a little bit of a cam in it, but it's also got an AOD, automatic overdrive, because they only had 3 speeds. And so you're going down the freeway, just things feeling like it's going to shake apart. New suspension, new interior. The only thing that's still on here is the rust, because body work is not my gig.
So do you take it to car shows?
Yeah, we have one if you're into Fords on the 15th. I'm in the Mustang Club down from Bow and Scarf, and so yeah. Alex can bring his car. I'm sure they'd let him in, even though it's not a Ford.
Yeah.
Well,
yeah, I had my 66 Mustang for 20 years. After I got it, maybe a year, within the first year, I got up to 110 miles per hour. Held in my hand for
they don't stop.
Smooth. It was smooth.
The stopping, I've got 4-wheel disc brakes too.
You know what?
I've got 4-wheel disc brakes on it now too, because it was scary when it would come to a stop.
And the suspension was pretty bad.
Yeah, well, it's
The carburetor. Finally, everything was bad.
yeah,
And then a kid come along, so goodbye.
cool. Well, maybe someday I could. I'll give you a ride if you can give me a ride.
Yeah, okay. I'll give you a ride now, and then we'll get back to your ride later.
Sounds good. You guys have a good night.
Hey, thanks, Rob. Good
Bye.
talking to you.
Meet the nicest people with cars. He did good in the market. Yeah, jeez. I'll have to look at what even a cheap McLaren is. I'm not exactly sure. Thanks for tuning in to You Can't Craft, because you can't. I can't craft, but sometimes I can fix something. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you for the next bolt tightening, loosening, exchanging doodle that has to be done.